she's closed.
Which way should we go?
Oh, look at that! We got a flat tire!
Look! A repair garage! Pull in there! Mamma mia! Luigi! We got a pimped out ride!
We need some coins, Mario! We have no money!
Leave it to me!
Mario! Are you okay? Oh, look! It's a turtle!
What are you doing?
Oh.
You just killed my turtle!
Oh, my God! I'm so sorry!
Hey, what's going on here?
Luigi! Let's get out of here! Look, Luigi! It's the princess! Princess! You must come with us!
I'll suck your for $50.
Princess!
Do you accept a coin?
Come on, princess! We got to go!
No, that's my business!
Oh, no! I'm a hit! What is it?
That's blood, baby.
Oh, Mario, we need to find you some mushrooms so you can heal.
I know just the guy.
This is some really good man.
Wow! I feel really good! Look at the pretty colors!
It's a fun!
I feel so funny! Look! There's coins everywhere! I'm rich!
Mario, no! No, Mario! I think I should drive.
Freeze! Put your hands in the air! He's got a wrench! Take him down!
He's marinating in his own ragu! You killed my brother! You sons of a bitches! You'll never take me alive! You mother... Oh!
Raccoon City sounds lovely.